Man killed in Manchester bar robbery as girlfriend battles for life. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot dead and his girlfriend injured after two masked gunmen attacked them in a robbery attempt at a bar in Knockpatrick, Manchester on Thursday night. Police and relatives identified the murder victim as Roshane Wilshire, aged 30, a resident of Iverson. Police said that at around 9 p.m., the couple were at a bar when two masked gunmen entered. The police said that Wilshire tried to run from his attackers but was chased to a back room where the gunmen asked were the money there. The police said that the woman who operates the bar was also in the back room when the gunmen entered and opened fire when their demands for cash were not met. The man collapsed and died at the scene while his partner was shot in her abdomen. The gunmen then turned their weapons on a Toyota Probox motor car which was traversing by the bar. The taxi operator narrowly escaped injuries as bullet went through his windscreen, back left side passenger window and door. The taxi driver transported the injured 30-year-old woman to the hospital, where she was rushed into an emergency surgery on Thursday night. Her condition is said to be considered as life-threatening. This incident increased the number of murder figures in Manchester to 43 for the year. 4 people have been killed in Manchester in October, including a double murder incident at the Mandeville Market. The market incident resulted in Minister of National Security Dr. Harris Chang touring facility and areas surrounding Mandeville a week ago. He also met with citizens, businesses and political leaders to address their concerns on crime.
Because I never know that it could knock at my door. I know me really feel how other people feel when these things hit them, you know, and it make we just wonder where we going at a country from here. This is really not Manchester anymore. This is just not Manchester anymore. We don't know where this will go from here. So. You're not safe anywhere anymore. And that's just the first and last of it. Now the way I see it, even the security needs security right now. So, I don't know where we're going from here. It's just it's a guy where him just humble, you know, jovial in the community, work with everybody, you know. And I still try to process how or what could I lead to the situation we are in. Somebody that just gun him down like that, you know. Leave a lot of people now mourning. Something just merciless as that. If we continue to let this situation do, I think we're going to get a visitation sooner or later from God. This cannot continue. Just cannot continue. It's terrible.
This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.